Okay, we're going to try and do this problem now. So, here we've got our part. So the first thing we want to do is drop this line here and across here and form this triangle. So, if we look at that triangle, we know the angle here, which was right here, is just the, it's hard to see that, but it's 54.3, or yeah. We also know the length of this side, which is this length here. So the idea then is if we can figure out this length and this length, then we can add, or we can take the total length of this piece, subtract this length, and subtract this length, and it'll leave us with the length that we want, this x. So, from these two, you can find the length of this bottom piece, or this guy right here. So that just leaves us with having to find this little piece. So I've blown that up over here. This line right here is this line here. So if we take and extend a line down to the base here, and then take this line and scooch it down here, then we'll have a new triangle here, where this angle is the 54 degrees and 30 minutes or seconds or whatever. But then we also know this length here is 1.57. So that will allow us to find this length, and then we can drop a line down here and a line down here and make a new triangle. We know this side is 0.312, and we know this angle here again is 54 degrees and 30 seconds or minutes or whatever. And so that'll allow us to find the length of this base. So all you have to do is find the length of this base, add it to this length here, add that to the 1.78, and then take that number and subtract from it the length you get from this triangle and the length that you get from up here, and that'll leave you with the length of x.